morning to all of you students. Today I am going to start exercise 40 in the chapter operation on one numbers. Just I am taking one question on exercise 40. Question is, a cartoon can hold 275 SKUs. How many cartoons are required to pack 44 lakhs 26,125 SKUs? Is it right? What is the number of SKUs? Number of SKUs is 275 in one carton, and you have total number of cartons you have 45 lakhs 26,000 and 125 SKUs. What will be the number of cartons required? Just I will for this question. Just you have to keep in mind. First, you have to find out the number of cartons. So, whenever you write the statement, keep in mind whatever you want to find out, that part on the that numerical value on the right side of the statement, and in this way you will solve the question. Suppose that you are just doing, you have to find out the number of cartons. So, you will write the statement number of cartons required for 275 SKUs equal to 1. Comment. Number of cartons required for 275 SKUs equal to 1. So again repeat the same statement. Number of cartons required for 1 carton, 1 SKU equal to how much? 1 by 275. Is it right? How it's going on? The static is here. Number of cartons required for 275 is equal to 1. Is it right? So number of cartons required for 1 SKU. For 1 SKU, the number of cartons will be less, and to make it less, what will do? Divide the right side value to the left side value. So, what you will get? 1 by 75 to 75. Again, the next statement, number of cartons required for 44 lakhs 26,125. How much? It will, for that much number of SKUs, the number of cartons will be more. If here, what we are doing, we are increasing the number of SKUs. So if you will increase the number of SKUs, then we should require more cartons. So what will do, for whatever value you have got for 1, in that value we will multiply, because for if you are increasing the number of SKUs, in that case you require more number of cartons. So for more value we will multiply this value with the value of 1. In 1 we have got this value. In 1, whatever value you got, in that value multiply 44 lakhs 26,125, and in this way, after division, whatever will be the value, that will be the answer. Just divide it. 44 lakhs 26,125 divided by 275. 1 the 275. Again, 167 is less than 75, so it's 6. Just use 6 jar, 275 6 jar, 1650, and after subtraction we get x 2. After that, take 1, but after taking 1, this 261 is smaller in comparison to 275, so it will be not divided by 275. Take another digit, but keep in mind whenever you are taking 2 digits at a time from the upper part, in that case we use here 0, and 275 this one again use 9 2475. After subtraction we will get now 4426125 by 275, that is equal to 169. What is the number of, what we are finding out? Number of cartoons. So number of cartoons equal to 1609 cartoons. And whatever will be the remainder, that will be the number of screw remain unpacked. But here you don't have to find out the number of screws unpacked. So just total number of cartons required will be 1609, and whatever screw left, that will be packed in another carton. So the number of cartons will be increased by 1. So that will become 1610 cartons. Is it right? So the number of cartons will be 1610 cartons. Now come to the next question. In the next question, exactly follow the process that you have to. Then thing is how to write the statement. I am doing next question. The cost of 736 quintals of wheat. Cost of 736 quintals of wheat is rupees 12 lakh 14,000. 12 lakh 14,400. Find the cost of 1 quintal of wheat. Find the cost of 1 quintal of wheat. Exactly do the same thing. How will write the statement? This question, the cost of 736 quintals of wheat is this, and find the cost of 1 quintal of wheat. In this question, what we have to do? The cost of 736 quintals of wheat is 12 lakhs 40,400. Find out the cost of 1 quintal of wheat. We have to find out the cost of 1 quintal of wheat. It's the cost of 736 quintal of wheat is this. So, of course, the cost of 1 quintal will be less. And for 1 quintal in the unitary method, if you follow the unitary method, for 1 quintal the cost will be less. That's why we will divide total cost of by the cost of by 736. In this way, you will get the value. But how to write the statement, that is more important. Suppose that we have two quantities. First quantity is 736 quintals, and second quantity is rupees 12 lakhs 40,200. Then what you will do here, you have to find out the cost of 1 quintal. Cost means cost will be in rupees. So put whenever you will write the statement, we will put the cost part on the right side of the equal to sign, and 736 on the left side of the equal to sign. Just following cost. If you are putting cost part on the right side of the equal to sign, just start the statement in this way. Start from cost of 736 quintals of wheat equal to is 12 lakhs 40,200. And again, cost of what we are doing, the next line. In the next line, repeat the statement exactly and find out for the 1 quintal. 1 quintal of wheat. We are only, what we are doing in this statement, just we are only changing the value here. You have to keep in mind. For 1 quintal, for 736 quintals of wheat, the cost is this much. Then cost of for 1 quintal will be less. 1 quintal cost will be less. So what we will do, just in the first statement, whatever is the value on the right side of the equal sign, divide that value from the left side value. So after dividing, you will getting it by you are dividing, or 1 quintal cost will be less. That's why we are dividing it. So divide it by 736. Exactly, we are following that unitary method here. Cost of just you have to find out that cost of 1 quintal of it. Divide it, and after dividing, whatever will be the value, that will be the cost of 1 quintal. So 1 to 1 divide it by 736, you will get 736 1 just 736. Again, 478 is less than income measure 736. Take 4 from the upper part. Again, 736. 6 here, use 6 here, will be 4416. 4416. After subtraction, we will get so again take 10 from the upper part. 736 5 here. 3680. 3680. So study is the 5. What we are taking here? 5 sir. 1 6. Again, 1 0 is left in the upper part. So take 1 0 from the upper part. Again, how many times divide again 0. So again, 736 0 the 0. So answer will be 1650. 1650 rupees. Why it will be rupee? Because whatever is the statement on the right side, just try to get it here. And this value is in rupees. So whatever value we get after calculation, that will be also in rupees. Is it right? Will be the answer. Come to the next question. Now come to the next question. In the next question, question number 3, a calculator costs rupees 845. A shopkeeper collected rupees 74 lakhs 7 lakhs 42,755 by selling the calculators in 1 month. How many calculators did he sell in 1 month? Cost of one calculator is how much? Rupees 845, and he collected rupees 7,42,755 by selling the calculator in 1 month. So what is the cost? How many calculators did he sell in 1 month? क्या निकालना है? टोटल जो है कैलकुलेटर सेल करके 7,42,075 इसने कलेक्ट किया है 1 मंथ में, और एक कैलकुलेटर का कॉस्ट है 845. तो हाउ मेनी कैलकुलेटर्स ही सोल्ड? जस्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, just exactly follow the retrieval method. Just whatever we have to values. First is number of calculator, and second one is the cost. In this process, you have to keep in mind what you want to find out. Just you want to find out the number of calculators. So put the number of calculators on the right side in the statement, and rupees part on the left side, and you have to follow this process. What you want to find out? Number of calculators. So in the statement, write in the same way number of calculators in rupees 845 equal to 1. What is the number of calculators in rupees 185? That is 1. So number of calculators in rupees 1 will be, if the number of calculators in rupees 845 is 1. So in rupees 1, because we are decreasing the value of the rupees, so number of calculators will be also decreased. So for decreasing the value in innovative method, what we do? Divide. And division always takes place. You have to keep in mind here, we always divide the right side value with the left side value. So 1 divided by 845. Again, repeat the statement. Number of calculators in rupees. How much amount he collected in 1 month? He collected 7,42,755. So in 7,42,755 rupees, what will be the number of calculators? 7,42,755. The number of calculator will be more if you are increasing the value of rupees in comparison to 1. So the number of calculators will also increase. So first write the value of 1 for 1 rupees, our value is 845. In that value, multiply this value. So after multiplying, just write down here 1845 multiplied by 742755. That is equal to 742. After division, this multiplied by this, that is equal to this. So you can write this one as 742,755 divided by 845. After division, we will get the value 879. What we are putting on the right side? Number of calculators. So that will give the number of calculators. Is it right? Now come to the next question, question number 4. In the question number 4, the 6,69,375 books are to be arranged equally in shelves. इतना क्या किया जा रहा है सेल्स में अलमीरा जिसमें की बुक को अरेंज किया जाता है, रखा जाता है, तो इतना बुक जो है इक्वली अरेंज किया जा रहा है, समान रूप से सब जगह बराबर बराबर हर एक अलमीरा में नंबर ऑफ बुक्स सेम रखना है. If 375 books are arranged in each shelf, एक shelf में कितना number of books arrange किया जा रहा है? 375. How many shelves will be needed? What will be the number of shelves? Exactly follow the process of the unity method. What we have to find out? The number of shelves. We have two quantities of here also. First one is number of cells and second one is number of books. So in the statement, cells, you have to find out the number of cells. So put the number of cells on the right side and number of books on the left side in the statement. So number of cells is 6,69,375. So books are arranged equally in shelves, and 375 books are arranged in one shelf. Number of books. And number of cells. What we have to find out? Number of cells. Number of cells for 375 books equal to how much? 1. This is given here. For 375 books, we need 1 cell. So number of books for number of cells for 1 book for 375 books, number of cells required is 1. Number of cells required for 375 books, we need 1 cells. So for number of cells required for 1 book, number of cells will be less. So divide this from the right side value is the left side value in the first statement. So after dividing, you will get this value. Again, number of books, number of cells for required for number of cells required for just we are changing their numerical value here. In the first statement, 375. Again for 1, and again for that value for which you have to find out the number of cells, and that value is 69,375. For that value, the number of cells will be more, and for more first add down the value for 1, and in that value multiply the value of the number of books, total number of books, for which you have to find out the number of cells. And after dividing, you will get the value after dividing you will get the number of cells. Number of cells will be 1785. Again, come to the next question. Come to the question number 5. In question number 5, the product of two numbers is given here, and if one of the numbers is 97, product of two numbers is given here. First value is what? First value is the product of two numbers, and second one of the two given numbers, one of the number is already given here, and that number is 987. What is the other number? दूसरा नंबर जो दिया हुआ नहीं लिखा है, निकालना है. एक नंबर दिया हुआ है, दूसरा नंबर निकालना है, और ये दोनों नंबर का प्रोडक्ट है, इन्हीं मल्टीप्लाई करके द्वारा. तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज गिवन हियर. वन ऑफ नंबर, write the statement product of number equal to product of two numbers equal to 70,85,483. What is the product of two numbers? Product of two numbers is this, and one number equal to 987. Then what will be the other number? divide the product by the one number, and in this way you will get the other number. One number is 17,85,483 and divide it by 987, and you will get, after division you will get the value if you divide this by this value, you will get so now we have I have completed this chapter, and this one was the last sum, and again tomorrow we start this chapter is finished. Now after that we start the next chapter in the next class.